Good afternoon and welcome to Frazer. My name is David. I'm the compliance manager here, and I just wanted to show you a really cool unit that is just about to be delivered to one of our international customers. So this unit is actually going to go overseas and has all sorts of special features that we were able to put into this unit. So this unit is mounted on a 2019 Ford F550 Export Edition. It's got all the payload and all the power required that the customer may ever need, and was just a great platform for us to build on. You can see it's still got a continuation of the lighting package here on the front, and we'll go ahead and take a look at some of the features that we have on the inside here. So we're here on the inside of the unit, and one of the main things that you'll notice is just how wide open this floor plan is. So to be able to accommodate some of the different beds and devices that the customer wanted to put down here on the floor, we have gotten rid of a lot of the storage space that might have been on the outside here and raised the floor up a bit to give a nice open floor plan that has all sorts of different options that you can put here. Where I am standing would normally be our AC compartment, and we would normally have some other seating over here, but with this configuration we have all sorts of options. You'll notice that we have 3 captain's chairs throughout the interior right here, and then of course the main captain's chair up at the front. The unique thing about these captain's chairs is that they can be positioned anywhere along these rails and even taken out of the unit completely. We got these chairs from EVS that kind of have an off-center swivel, so that when they are swiveled up against the wall and folded up, you have maximum aisle width, but it still allows you to swivel to face either forwards or backwards. We've designed the 2 squad bench chairs to face forward for comfort, and the CPR chair, or this one on the driver's side, if you flip the lever, you can come around, face rearward, which gives you some access on one side to the patient, and then you can flip up this table right here to be a nice workspace for charting, for labs, for anything else that you may want to do right here. So this is a nice optional feature that the customer can use. To put it back, we'll just grab here, flip that out of the way, and this chair can swivel back and face back towards your patient. We have our 2 oxygen outlets right here, and then we have all sorts of power options over here. So we have our 240 volt outlets, we've got USB outlets, and then of course our 12 volt standard cigarette lighter options that you'll find in our normal units. So over here on the front wall, we have our standard front wall cabinet that includes the Austin Hardware Life Defender doors. So these are doors and cabinets that have been specially crash tested and will contain anything that's inside those in case of any sort of an incident. They slide open from both sides very easily and then snap shut nice and securely. If you look over here, something else that makes this unique is in this front corner area. You'll notice especially that over on the far right side, we have this long, skinny compartment that goes all the way down to the ground. The purpose of this compartment is to be able to store any sort of specialty equipment. We worked with the customer and they gave us certain requirements that they wanted of equipment that they wanted to store in here. So you can store backboards, scoop stretchers, board splints, anything that's going to be long and potentially even be dirty. So one of the features about this compartment is down at the very bottom, it's flush with the step well and goes to the outside very easily. So you can easily just sweep everything out of there right down on the ground where you can pick it up, as opposed to having just everything contained in there. You'll also notice we have an adjustable shelf right here that can go all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom. You can add more shelves, things like that. It gives a lot of flexibility for storing different stuff in here. So thanks for joining us on a tour of this specialty unit. It has all sorts of innovative features that were just a lot of fun to design and build. And though we're saying bon voyage to this unit, feel free to check out some other videos of units that we have available on our website at frazerbilt.com. We'll see you next time.